So if you get your feelings hurt, or if you're having some issues internally, can't figure them out, you can come here. You can let that all out right there. So what we had to do was change out 2 smoke detectors, one in the vestibule, one right here above the panel, and I'm just letting the system automatically, assign these smoke detectors to the ones we just took out. So you gotta wait. Since I don't have my laptop, I have to wait. Boom, done. So now, clear panel. This panel just mapped those new devices are replaced. Took out the old ones, added the new, so now we clear. Service call done. One and done. We added, let me put this down. That should conclude the service call. Change out 2 smokes, let the system map it back in, verify it's normal, we good to go.